Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Knowledge Base. This is the second lecture of Automata Theory. Today we are going to discuss some basic concepts of Automata Theory. These concepts are very important and the different theories will be discussed, which all the based on these basic concepts. So let's start. First, alphabet. Alphabet is not just the unique set of symbols which will be used to design different automata theory. Automata constructs. For example, suppose A and B are the unique symbols, and the set is called the alphabet set. String is a sequence of symbols which are taken from the alphabet set. For example, let sigma be a representation of alphabet set where the elements are a comma b. Then a string can be formed using this symbol consisting any sequence like a b b a b a b, etc. Next, the concatenation operation. Concatenation operation is nothing but appending one string after another string. For example, a new string W can be formed using two basic string W1 W2 by appending W2 after W1. So this operation called the concatenation operation. Next, reverse of a string. It is nothing but alternating or changing the position of the original string, symbols of the original string. For example, W is the original string and their symbols are A1, A2 up to AR. So reverse operation will be AR will be the first symbol of this string, then AR my next string, so on up to A2 and A1. So whole thing is called this operation is called the reverse operation. The next is called length. Length is nothing but number of symbol which is part of the any string. It's called the length of string. There can be repetition of the symbol, but we will count each character in the sequence as a unique character. So length. Suppose W is consisted of 4 symbols A1, A2, A3, A4. Maybe they are same. So the length will be count as 4. So if we don't take any symbol, so consider the string is empty and the empty string have length 0. Prefix and suffix. Let a string a b b a b. Then we have prefixes taking some symbols out of the string W from the beginning. So we can take no symbols. So empty string is also part of the prefix. They will take a single symbol A, then double, and so on. The full string can also be considered prefix. The same thing can happen with suffixes also, but from the backward. So empty string can also be part of the suffix. Then we can single symbol B, double symbol C, AB, and so on. And similarly, we can also consider the whole string as suffix. The next topic is called the closure alphabet. So it's very important. Many automata theory will be based on many design of the the analysis of the automata theory will be based on closure operation on alphabet set. There are mainly two types of closure operation. One is called star closure, the Roman one. This is the star closure, and this is the plus closure. So what is the closure operation? If we append the symbols from alphabet set by 0 or more than 0 number of time, then there will be a set of strings with varying lengths. So for example, if alphabet set is A, B, then the closure of sigma will be like with empty string, then A, then B, then AB. Look, we can see that the number of symbols can increase, but their position will not change. So there will be no case of BA. The sequence will be only A, B, A, B, B, something like that. So all strings follow these types of construct. So sigma closure will be the set of strings only excluding the empty string. And the last thing is called the language. Language is a subset of star closure, sigma closure, closure of alphabet set, whatever you can say. It can also be a improper subset also. So with that subset will be called language, and any string of that language will be considered as sentence of that language. Thank you.